Hi guys, it's Sherry. Today we are going to be making a checkered style pair of earrings. So the first thing you are going to need is your three colors. So I chose pink, yellow, and blue because I want this to be a fun summer pair of earrings to go with my weekly tutorials of summer earrings. So the first thing you're going to do is just condition them, get them nice and soft, and then we will roll these out and just kind of get them nice and flat. And then I am going to run this through my pasta machine quick, and it's going to be on my thickest setting. So you roll through once, and then we are going to fold it over and roll it over. I'll roll it through our machine again, and we will continue this process until our colors really start to blend nicely. So you could kind of see that it's slightly going over. See how it's starting to come over? So continue blending that until you get a nice blend together. All right, and this is the beautiful colors you should get. I mean, look how stunning that is. So now you have the pink that goes into like almost like an orangey pink, yellow, the green, the blue, just beautiful. And then I rolled out my pure white as well, and I ended up, after I rolled it out, I ended up going down one notch, so I'm at my second thickest setting right now. So your next step is going to be making a straight edge. So we want to make sure our clay is straight. Let me get this little piece out of here. And then we will cut out strips. So it depends on how thick you personally want your strips. So I want mine about that size, okay? So you're going to kind of go back and forth. So I'm going to line these up right next to each other. Let me make a straight line here. And I'll lay my first one there. And then I will get my next strip. And then I will put them right up against each other, okay? And you gotta try to get it off your blade there. To get it not to stick, you're gonna put your blade down like that and then kind of pull it forward, and it'll go right into place and stay there. Now I'm gonna get my wax paper. I'm just gonna kind of rub them together just to make sure they stay together for right now. All right, now I should be able to lift it safely. And carefully put it in front of me. Okay, so now our next step is, let's get these trimmed up. And then you will Do the same idea. So cut it, set it down. And now this time you're going to go over one. So now you see how there's white? You're going to go over. You want to just line them up. And then go back to where you were to start. And just keep going back and forth. All right, only a couple more to go. And this will be my last one here. And then I'll get my wax paper again. Make sure everything's nice and secure together. You can see on both sides how nice it looks. So I'm gonna just burnish both sides. Make sure that the whole thing is nice and secure. So the first thing I want to do is use my little smiley face flower cutter, because I just think it is absolutely adorable. So since that is a detailed flower cutter, I would like to use saran wrap to make sure that my clay does not get stuck in it. I hate when my clay gets stuck in my pieces, so I'm just going to put saran wrap over this. And then I'll just kind of pick out different areas that I would like. And I'm going to go oh, look how cute. Look how fun those are. I love them. The little smiley face. And then you can see the back is just as beautiful as the front. So I want to see if I could get one more star, if possible, out of the yellow. Let's see if we could get that to fit. Perfect. So our next step is just to smooth out the edges. Make sure everything's nice and smooth. And then I'm going to place them all on my tile. Okay, so now let's place all these in the oven, 275 for a full half hour, and then we will come back and see the results. All right, so I got everything out of the oven. It's cooling off, but I want to show you these first. So look how cute these are. I absolutely love these, but unfortunately you can't really see the face. So I decided what I want to do is I'm going to take my white clay, and then I'm going to take this section here. I'm going to get my saran wrap, and then I am going to recut just the face section out of my cutter, because I really want the face to show up on these cutters and not just blend in. So I kind of want to go. And then we'll do that section. Okay, so in order to get that middle section out, because it's not going to just fall out, we need to cut it. Oops. So I'm just going to take my X-Acto knife and then just go right around and just cut out the face. And then we have this cute little face that you can really see well. Now I have my oven baked clay adhesive, and I'm just going to put a little bit on each part right over the original imprint of the face. And then I will place that on here and then kind of put it in place of where I want it. And then I'm just going to take my little toothpick and redo the eyes. And there we go. Look how much cuter that looks. And his eyes are good, so I don't have to redo those. And then I'm going to put this in for 15 minutes. And then we'll come back and I'll show you how to drill the holes and put the earring findings on. And then I'll show you what I did with the rest of the stuff. All right, guys, so my pieces are now complete. I love them. I just want to show you how these little faces came out. Look how adorable these are. I just love these. I think they're just so cute and fun, and any kid is going to love these, or a fun adult will love these as well. But I want to show you very quickly how to put the earrings on if you don't, and then I'll show you the end results of all my pieces. So I just get my drill here, and I'm going to go right above, right in the middle at the top petal here, and then you just push down, and I love this drill. It makes it so easy. It's great on your hands. You don't have to strain in any way. So perfect with anybody that has issues with their wrist or their hands. And honestly, that's kind of why I got it. But their next step is going to be get your jump ring. And you're going to open it up by getting your 2 pairs of pliers. And then connect your fish hook on, and then just reclose, and that's all to it. It is real simple to put these jump rings on and your earrings fittings. I mean, just real simple. So let me finish this last one up real quick, and then I will show you how beautiful our other pieces came out, because I am really happy with the way that they look. Okay, so you obviously saw these, and what I love is that the back is just as fun as the front. And then we have our little stars. I just made these into studs. So to do that, you just get your backs and super glue them on. And I have a kit that I got that I can put in a link if you would like. And look how great these are. I mean, look how fun. The front and the backs are both decked out. I love them. So I did this style for these ones. And these are actually my favorite ones. I love them. And then for the blue ones, I went a little bit different. I decided to add just a circle on the top, and then add my fish hook on that as well. And then for the pink ones, I ended up putting a fitting on the bottom of it. So, I mean, how beautiful did these come out? I really hope you enjoyed learning this technique from me. I think it is a lot of fun. It's great for summer. If you guys did enjoy creating these pieces with me, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.